Hi, I am Dr. Sharath Honati, Consultant Family Physician at Vita Family Clinic, HSR Layout, Sector 1, Bangalore, India. Persistent cough lasting for more than 2 weeks, especially at the night time, and along with the congestion, may be the cause due to a bronchitis or a asthma related problem which usually worsens in the evening time, or could be a lot of dust or the mites. As worsening of cough mostly in the evening time, it may also be possible because of a reflux acid disease which triggers a cough, so makes person cough during night time. So the treatment would be to treat for the acid reflux as well as to treat for the breathing difficulty, that is congestion or wheezing, along with the cough suppressant.